Hi, my name is Abdul Basith. I'm from AMP Technologies, Hyderabad. We are working with Dahua from past 8 years. The quality of the Dahua is awesome. The product is awesome. It has got a wide range of products in the market. It is one of the leaders. It has got CCTV security systems. It has got network SSDs. It has got hard drives. It has got interactive panels and many more products. The reason for loving Dahua is the product quality and after sales support. After sales support is too good regarding technical assistance, regarding any other assistance. That's the reason we love Dahua. Dahua has introduced a new application named as Dolynk Care. It is a very good application. We came to know about this application in our last meeting with their technical heads. What is this Dolynk Care application? Let us know about that. It is an application useful for integrators, installation service providers, and the technicians. What's the use of it? It is the application in which we can add the sites. Adding the site means we can see what's happening on the site, like how the site is getting completed, what are the things pending in that, and once the site is completed, we can hand over the site to the customer. Handing over the site means virtually we can hand over the site to the customer on their DMSS application. Once we hand over the site DMSS application, we can't do anything on that site. That's really good. Dahua keep in mind the security and the privacy of the customers. Earlier it wasn't like that. As of now, after Dolynk Care application and the latest security updates, no one else apart from the customer's credentials would be able to access that site. Options: we can add the site, we can hand over the site, and once it is handed over, the customer has the authority to entrust that site and give the access to the integrator and the installation service provider. Once the customer approves the entrusting option, then the integrator and the installation service providers can remotely configure the site, as like formatting the hard drive, configuring the IP address, resetting the password, initializing any uninitialized device or anything. There are so many options in it. Let us go through the video. We would be in the home screen in the application would be like this. The first option would be beta. It shows easy configuration. Second option would be scan. Third would be maintenance, and the last one would be unbind on the top. Once you click on easy configuration, it gives you configuration guide. Here it shows you how to connect the IP cameras, how to connect the PoE switch, and how to connect the network devices. Second, it shows you the network devices which are connected to the site. Right now there are no network devices connected to the site, so it's not showing me anything. So if you want, you can click on discover devices, you can click on reconnect. Next, under scan, if you have any camera you would like to add on QR code, you can click on scan. Then the camera would be opened and you can add that camera or that device using the QR code. Third, maintenance. If you click on maintenance, whatever the sites you have added in your Dolynk Care applications, those would be visible here. And if there are any errors on that sites, you can see here. You can see entrusted. Entrusted means if I have added any site in my sites and if I have handed over that site to the customer can entrust that by using the DMSS application, and I'll be getting that in my entrusted list. Pending delivery. If I have any sites on which I am working and I have not delivered that to the customer, then I would be getting that sites under pending delivery. So right now I have overview of 2 sites and there are 0 errors for that, and 1 site is entrusted by the customer's end and there are no sites pending for delivery. Next, unbind. What is unbind? If the customer is using one mobile phone and he lost the password, if he is trying to access that camera, access that NVR, access that DVR from his new mobile phone or new application, then he would be getting error that the device is already binded with so and so email ID or mobile number, something like that. So to unbind that device, we would be using this option. We can unbind the device by few simple steps. Then you can see whether the device has been successfully unbounded or not. Site. If we click on site, we'll be getting the number of sites which we done till yet. Right now we have this option. Let's click on this. Now we have two devices. First device, it is showing as interested. In the last tab, we have seen interested 1, pending delivery 0. So we have delivered one site. It has been showing on the second option, and one site is interested, means the customer has given us the authority to do the configuration from our side. The customer can opt for number of days, number of weeks, number of months and years. Up to that time, we can do the configuration from our side. What we can do, we can click on the site, we can restart the device, we can see the live video, and it shows the basic information like what type of device it is, the NVR, the model number, the serial number, the site, the service information, when it was handed over, and how many cameras are live. And under settings, it will show us the time zone, the advanced settings, everything like this. Under deliveries, it will show the basic info. It will not show a restart option. It will not show us anything. To do any settings, we need the interesting thing to be activated from the customer side. Next, tools. Under tools, if you are on the same site where you have been working and you are connected to the same Wi-Fi where you have installed DVR, NVR or IP cameras, you can activate the devices, you can change the IP address of the devices, you can reset the password of the devices, you can restore devices to their factory settings, you can sync the time of the devices, and you can add the devices to the cloud. These many things you can do on site. This is a very useful tool which I have liked. Earlier we have to connect the laptop and connect the IP camera and check the IP address and select appropriate IP configuration tool and then change the password, and all those things would be done. But using this application, there is no need for a laptop, no need for configuration like that. Just through application we can check the IP cameras and we can change the IP addresses. This is really useful. I really like this tool. Next, under me it will show you the accounts settings, the account details, how many recommended applications are there, account security, the default page, the company, the customers. Thanks for watching this video. If you like this video, if you found this information useful in this video, like this video and subscribe to my channel. Keep watching for more updates and more videos. Thank you.